The mother remembers. Do you remember her? Do you still speak to her? Do you touch her? Do you feel her embrace? Do you take time to acknowledge her beauty? Do you take time to be thankful? Do you see all the miracles, not just around you, but in you, in your experience, every single moment? She reminds us of how to be the miracle that we need. A lot of times we can feel as though that we are in lack, that we might not have all the things that we desire. We may not have the things that we feel as though we need. We have forgotten our magic within. We have forgotten that we are magic, pure magic. We are miracles. If you don't believe me, just ask Mother Earth. Just ask Mother Gaia. And I'm sure she would tell you the same thing. Have you remembered to talk to the mother? In order to get the miracles that you need, in order to achieve the manifestations that you desire, first, you must remember that you are a miracle, that you are manifestation. Take time, breathe in this beautiful air that the mother provides. Take time to breathe in consciousness, life, because you are surrounded by life. You are alive. That makes you a miracle. Can you be thankful for that miracle? Even though there are other things that you may feel as though you do not have yet. Even though there are other things that you need. Can you walk? That's a miracle. Can you see? Can you hear? Can you smell? Can you touch? Can you taste? Can you still smile? That's a miracle. Can you be thankful for all that you do have? Even though there are lots of things that might appear to be in lack. Can you take time to interact with the mother, even though your schedule might be very busy? Do you feel stuck? Well, that's an illusion too. Just like me, I have taken the time to come out, interact with Mother Earth, look at the beauty that exists around me, the water that flows. The water reminds me of how I too must flow with life, with whatever circumstances or situations I find myself in. Flow like the wind through the trees, the gentle breezes that interact with me. I speak to the wind. I speak to the water. I speak to the spirit and all the spirits around me. I speak to the mother. I speak to the creator, to the source of all. And every single day, I never stop being thankful for all that I do have. And I'm thankful for all the stuff that I desire to have. Hey, hello, hey. How are you? What's your name, Miss Kitty? Huh? What's your name? Hello. I'm thankful for you. Wow, see that beautiful cat? You gonna walk with me? Or what do you want to show me? Huh? What is it? I'm sorry I don't have any food for you right now. But yes, be thankful. Walk with nature, walk with the mother, walk with the creator, because they walk with you. I'm breathing right now. That's a miracle. I'm thankful for that miracle, which means that I still have life in me to fight for the things that I desire to have. I am thankful for my passion. I am thankful for the things that I do not see in my reality yet, because those things that I desire will manifest and will come into fruition. Because I still believe in miracles, and I still believe in the promises of the Most High. I still believe in the promises of Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, that she will provide. And I still believe in myself. To keep the faith and keep being thankful for all that I do have, for all that I will have, and even being thankful for all that I don't have. Because there are many, many people in the world that are in a situation much worse than me. But remember, everything is all about perspective. Do you take time to notice the small things? If you want big things, if you desire big things to happen in your life, you must first be thankful for the small things. Putting one foot in front of the other. And keep walking this path. Keep walking towards that big miracle. By you acknowledging that first and foremost, you are a miracle. Being thankful for that. Being thankful for being created. That is the easiest way to start to attract even more miracles. Taking a walk in Mother Nature and looking at all the magic that happens around you. And do you know why all this magic happens around you? It's because you are magic. If you fix your mind, your thoughts, your sights on how thankful you can be, if you do truly acknowledge the fact that you are a miracle, you are beautiful, you are special, you will love yourself even more. That love you have for yourself will allow you to navigate this world with love. You see, that's the real magic right there. Being grateful, even when you don't have everything that you would like to have. Loving yourself. No matter what. Knowing that you are worthy of blessings. Knowing that you are worthy of what Mother Earth provides. What the Creator, what Source provides. Loving yourself because you know that you are worthy of love. And when we know this, that allows us to look at others from a place of love. Even if you're feeling down, go out into nature and let Mother Earth sing to you. Let the trees show you and remind you of how resilient you are to be able to still stand tall, even when others don't think that you should be able to. Even when you yourself sometimes doubt if you're able to still stand tall. Stand tall anyway. You see, you're so special. Because the trees, they have no choice but to stand. But we have a choice. And we still choose to rise. We still choose to stand. Even in the face of adversity. Do you know how beautiful that is? Do you know how magical that is? Take time to remember that you are the miracle. And when you align with this, when we spend time interacting with the Mother, interacting with Spirit, interacting with Source, with the Creator, and understanding that your power lies within you, there is almost nothing that you cannot achieve. Look at all this beauty that still remains, even in the face of chaos. And remember how you still remain in the face of chaos. And how that is such a beautiful thing. Thank you for listening. I love you.